Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to build an entire Minecraft world in just 3 minutes. Yep, you heard that right. We'll speed run through creating a starter world that's both functional and stylish. So grab your pickaxe and let's get started. First things first, when you spawn, look around for a good spot to set up base. Ideally, you want a flat area near some trees and water. Chop down a few trees to gather wood. You'll need logs to craft planks, sticks, and a crafting table. Place your crafting table down and make a wooden pickaxe and a wooden axe. These will be your best friends for the next few minutes. Next, let's gather some basic resources. Use your pickaxe to mine some stone. You'll need about 20 cobblestones. With these, craft a furnace and a set of stone tools: a sword, pickaxe, axe, and shovel. Trust me, stone tools are a significant upgrade from wood. Alright, now it's time to build a quick shelter. Use your wooden planks to create a simple 5x5 house with a door and some windows. Don't forget to add a roof to keep out the rain and any pesky mobs that might want to join your party. For windows, you can use glass if you've got sand and time to smelt, but wooden fences can work in a pinch too. While you're at it, craft a bed using 3 wool and 3 planks. This will set your spawn point and let you sleep through any dangerous nights. Place your bed inside the shelter along with your crafting table and furnace. Home sweet home, right? Now, let's get some food. If you see animals like cows, pigs, or chickens, go ahead and gather some meat. If you're in a hurry, berries or apples from trees work too. Cook the meat in your furnace for a more satisfying meal. Finally, let's get some light in and around your base. Craft torches using sticks and coal or charcoal. Light up the inside of your house and the surrounding area to keep mobs at bay. And there you have it. A functional Minecraft world built in just 3 minutes. You've got a shelter, tools, food, and light. Now you're ready to explore further, mine deeper, and build bigger. If you enjoyed this quick guide, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more Minecraft tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy crafting.